is all about paper. I am going to show you how you can use just a simple sheet of paper that you can find at home to make so many different things. I've gone around my house and I have collected different types of paper that I found. So I have like regular cardstock, but then I also found some printer paper, and I also found an ad. You can totally use this. And then some other scrapbooking paper, and then lined paper. And then one thing that I have done is I have added my own little design. Get creative with the paper you find at your house. So like I said, this is not craft paper, okay? It's literally a BK, Burger King, coupon page that I got in the mail. Okay, dig through your backpack. You probably have old notes, old homework that you are having to throw out anyway. Use that, okay? Find a way to recycle, reuse things that you have at home. You don't need fancy scrapbook paper or cardstock. Use whatever it is that you have at home. Draw on it, alter it. Right? Tools you might need are scissors, tape, using washi tape, and glue. This technique is called roll. So I'm going to cut out a strip of thin piece of paper. I am going to create a circle, and then I'm going to grab a piece of tape to secure the two ends together. If you'd like, you can make this roll tighter, you can make it longer. For curl, I am going to cut out a long strip piece of paper. I'm going to start at one end and start curling towards the other end. You can make this curl as tight as you want. The tighter it is, the more of a curl you're going to get. You can also make it loose. For loop, you want to take your piece of paper and fold it in half and tape the ends closed. You don't want to squish the other side. For fringe, you're going to take your piece of paper, you're going to take your scissors, and you're going to cut from one side to the other without reaching all the way because you don't want to cut your paper. Now that you have your fringe, you can take it and curl it. You can bend from one side to the other. I really like using this technique to make the inside of paper flowers. To create tabs, you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to cut all the way up to the middle. Then every other tab you're going to flip up and fold over. Then you flip to the other side and do the same to the other. You unfold them and you have your tabs that you can glue or tape. For spiral, you want to start off with a circle. I always like to start about a centimeter or half a centimeter in, and then I start cutting into a spiral shape. You can see how you can pull it apart to create these really funky spiral shapes. Pleat technique is also known as the accordion fold. For this, you fold, flip, fold, and flip. You can also cut this pleat to create a fringe. To create a cone, you're going to take a rectangular shaped piece of paper. You're going to roll towards the middle. You then want to take some tape or glue on the inside and on the outside. Then to make the bottom flat, I'm going to take some scissors and cut. To create a rectangular prism, I'm going to cut out a rectangle. I'm going to fold it in half, then fold in half again. So 4 different folds to create a rectangle. Then I'm going to glue or tape the inside, and then you have a rectangular prism. These are a few cutting and folding techniques that you can create with paper. Each of these can be done in different variations to make different kinds of projects. My hope is that now you have some tools and inspiration to create a 3D sculpture made out of just paper. It could be big, it could be small. Get creative.
Oh my